Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the side key double press to open up Samsung wallet or payment cards on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Then tap on side key, and then in the double press section, make sure you turn on double press to use this feature, and then select Samsung Wallet Quick Access. Now if you double press on the side key here, this will allow you to open up your payments card, or you can use other card such as membership card. If you have memberships card, you can use that. Or you can, I'm just gonna go back. Or you can use your transit card, and that's it. So finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.